everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the number one key to success in real estate. I was going through in the process of writing my book, Real Estate Success, what they forgot to teach you in school, and going through the number one key to success, which is taking action. It's no secret. Taking action, we can talk. I talk a little bit in the book about analysis paralysis, about reading as much as you can, podcast, seminar attendance, conference attendance, and until you take action and actually do, you're never going to make progress. And one of the things that I talked about in the chapter was the parable in the book of Matthew in the Bible that talked about the master who left one servant with 5 talents, one with 3, and one with 1. And he went off on a long trip. And when he returned, he asked the servants, what did they do with the talents that he gave them? And it was interesting. The one with 5, he put it to use. The one with 3, he put it to use. They both made progress and they increased their talents in number. But the one who only had 1, who I would argue only needed 1 to be successful, put it in the ground. He buried it out of fear. And fear will prevent you from achieving the best that you have to offer this world, the best that God has put in you in order to deliver and provide value to the earth. I'm a true believer in that. And, taking action, you will reap the benefits. And so that's one of the big things that spoke to me today when I'm going through and writing and talking about that parable was just the importance of taking action and using the skills that God has given you. Everybody has talent, and some have more than others, and different areas. You have your gift, and when you operate in your gift, you will be successful. And real estate is no different. If you operate, you apply yourself. You read. I think one of the other pieces I brought out about taking action. If you read just 10 pages a day for a year, 300. That's 3,650 pages that you've read in a year, which is equivalent to 13 books. You think if you read 13 books on real estate, if you just on single family, on apartments, whatever your interest is, self storage, note investing, whatever it is in real estate that you're interested in, if you read 13 books on that individual unique topic, you're going to know a lot. You're going to be well educated, and you're going to be good to go. Now you just need to take action. And so, those of you who have been in real estate, have been on the sideline looking to get in, you got to take action. You got to figure out what's the strategy. We talk about that in my book. What's the strategy to take action, to get started? And because you guys know, you don't give yourself enough credit. You know what you need to do. And it's just a matter of putting it all together and having somebody to kind of hold your hand and lead you along the way, in order to kind of give you that roadmap to success. And so that's one of the things, just encourage you guys to look to take action this year, set those goals, and kind of move out and make it happen. So I just wanted to share that number one key to success in real estate, taking action, do it today. And I'll shoot one about goal setting too, because that's the next chapter that follows this one. Not to give you guys all of the book, but I will give you guys opportunity to get a quick look at the book in the future as we're looking to bring it out. And it'll be published and released around the holidays this year. So still a lot of more work to do, but we're getting there, taking action. And just wanted to share that with you guys. Be blessed, and I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and always looking for feedback from you guys on future content that I can share. So have a blessed day.